Today in this video we are going to study about combination of electric cells. There are mainly three type of combination possible. The first one is if they are connected in series, second is parallel combination, and the third combination is called mixed grouping. So the first case that we are going to do is the when electric cells are connected in series. So I have taken 1, 2, 3 electric cells, but suppose there are n electric cells connected in series with an external resistance R, that is capital R, and I is the current flowing in the circuit. Now suppose if it would have been 3 only, what would be the value of EMF in this circuit? In series combination, when we did derivation also of series combination of resistance, we wrote that V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So because every cell has his own EMF, and in series combination the net EMF would be added up. So the total for 3 would be 3E, but if it would have been 4 cells, total EMF would be 4 into capital E. But if I say let there are n cells, so total EMF would be, you can write total EMF would be how much? Total EMF would be n times of E. So total EMF is n multiplied by E, because there are n cells and they all are connected in series. So total EMF is NE. Now if you want to find total resistance, as you can see each resistance is in series combination. So total resistance would be how much? R plus R plus R up to n times. It would be NR, plus this R is also in series. So total resistance would be NR plus capital R. So for a series combination of electric cells, total EMF would be n times of E, and total resistance would be NR plus R. Now if you want to find the value of I, that is the current flowing in this circuit, I is V divided by R, or potential divided by total resistance. So I would be total EMF, that is NE, that is NE divided by NR plus R. So this is the value of I in case of when electric cells are connected in series. Now if you want to find the value of V, as you can see here, if you want to find the value of V formula is I into R. Now I is this, so value of V would be I into R. You can substitute the value of I here multiplied by R, and you will get the potential difference across this external resistance. These are the formulas which are useful when electric cells are connected in series. The next combination is parallel combination. As you can see, there are n cells. As you can see, there are n cells of EMF E and internal resistance R connected in parallel combination with an external resistance of capital R. I is the total current flowing in the circuit. Now suppose there are only 2 cells connected in circuit. Let us say there are only 2 cells connected in circuit. What would be value of total EMF? You know the formula of EMF when connected in parallel combination, that is 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1, let us say it's R only, plus 1 by R2. So the value of R that you would see is, it would be coming 2 by R, right? Suppose there are 3 cells connected in parallel like this, so the total R would be 3 by R. But if you have n cells, when you have 2, the total R is 2 by R. If you have 3, it would be 3 by R. But if you have n, it would be n divided by small r, and that n divided by small r is in series combination with this capital R. So in parallel combination of cell, the total resistance of the circuit, total resistance would be how much? Will be equal to N divided by R, that is the value of resistance of this parallel combination, N divided by R plus capital R, because it is in series combination with this combination. So NR plus R. Now total EMF, each cell has EMF of E, this also has E, and all N cells have EMF of capital E. Now if you remember, in parallel combination the quantity which remains same is the potential difference. So across each branch where one cell is located, the total potential of each branch would be E, and for this whole combination the total EMF would remain E only. In the previous case it became NE because it was a series combination, and voltage or potential difference in that case is V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 and so on. But in a parallel combination potential remains same, so the net EMF, that is the total EMF, so total EMF remains E only. Now if you want to find value of I, net or net electric current would be total EMF divided by total resistance, so E upon NR plus R. This would be value of electric current where the cells are connected in parallel combination. Now if you want to find value of V, in this case also again V would be I into capital R. So you can put value of I, which is here, and you will get the formula of V. So this is electric cell in parallel combination, and these formula will be helpful to you in questions regarding this combination. Total resistance, total EMF would remain same only, I, and value of V.